What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you a display stand I made for my pedals, not only to display them but to store them and have it look cool. Now, first idea was, Michael's, the craft store, or Amazon, and I come across Amazon and they had one that was shaped like this, but they wanted $34.99. I mean, you could kiss my ass for $34.99. I'm not paying that. So what I did years ago, I had some posters and I took this stuff out, and you could use plexiglass, the thinner stuff, I guess 1/8 inch, but anyway, you cut the length, the width, and what I did was I took a little step stool, and it's a metal one, and then I took a heat gun. So after I had it cut, I drew a line to the size I wanted it, and I scored both sides, this side and then the underneath side, and then I cracked it, and you have a kind of a rough edge. And then all I did was take it and lay it over the stand, and I used some clamps to hold it in place on each side, and then the heat gun I ran across the top until it became soft, malleable. And then as it started to kind of warp, I pushed down right here that it went flush against the step stool, and then I took a piece of, well, actually it was a level, and I just pushed in with the level. It was a 2-foot level, and until I got that nice 90-degree thing. Then what I did for the front was the exact same thing. I flipped it over and then I bent it that way. And then to clean up like the edges, you can see they're very clean, very square. I just took an angle grinder, used a flapper wheel. If you don't know what a flapper wheel is, it's basically sandpaper overlapped. And let's turn this around here. And you can see here's the bottom, and you gotta have a pretty steady hand, and you just sand it with the angle grinder, and it makes a nice finish. And then afterwards, just take a fine file and then deburr a little bit on this side and then this side. You save yourself $34.99, and you can make these any size you want. Main thing is, all you have to do is have a big enough piece. So like if you have a workbench or something, you're going to clamp each side, heat it evenly, and then the thing of it is, you got to have something like a 4-foot level or whatever, and then push in. And you might need 2 people if you're going to build a bigger one.